Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make two very unique solar-powered candlestick holders that will look nice on any dining table, kitchen table, or fireplace mantle. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativdiy.com for all the details, including tips and tricks and links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials are available from Dollar Tree unless otherwise stated. We will need a large empty ribbon spool made out of cardboard. We will need a glass tea light holder. We will need a few candle holders. One of mine that I will be using is from the Dollar Tree. The other two I already had on hand, previously picked up from a content sale for 50 cents. You will notice that all three candle holders are of varying sizes. The smallest in particular has a small hole on one end where you would normally insert a small candle. However, in lieu of candles, we will need a few solar garden sticks. We will also need some string of silver bead necklace. We will need a pack of silver plastic spoons. A pack from the Dollar Tree comes with 24. We will be separating the round part of the spoon from the arm part, and only using the arm part for today's project. We will need jewel board stickers. We will need some silver metallic paint as well as Mod Podge and some white glitter. The bottle of white glitter I have is from Hobby Lobby. And as per usual, my craft projects will need some E6000, which will offer permanent hold, as well as our hot glue gun. My E6000 was purchased from Hobby Lobby and my hot glue gun was purchased from Amazon. Now to start on our first solar powered candlestick holder. We start by painting all of the candlestick holders white. For mine, I had to use a couple of coats of primer first before painting them white. Once the primer and paint have all dried, the next step is to make a mixture of Mod Podge and white glitter. Then apply the mixture onto each of the candle holders. Once all the candle holders are completely dry, it's time to build out the candlestick holder by stacking them using some E6000. The largest candle holder will be on the bottom, then the medium-sized one followed by the smallest one on the top. The final part of this solar-powered candlestick holder is to take a solar garden stick and remove the top part from the stick that usually would go into the ground. A gentle tug should be enough to detach the pieces. Then take some jewel border sticker and embellish the top part of the solar garden stick where the solar panels reside. Be careful not to cover the actual solar panels. Lastly, we insert the solar garden stick into the candle holder. And there you have it. Our first project is complete. Look how beautiful they are, and they definitely have a nice glow in the dark. For our second solar-powered candlestick holder, we will take the empty cardboard ribbon spool and remove any cardboard from the top and bottom. We want both ends to be completely opened and exposed, just like a toilet paper roll. Then we use some silver metallic paint and paint the spool. The next step is to embellish the spool with the arms of the silver plastic spoons. For this part, we use the hot glue to affix the spoon arms to the spool in a vertical manner. Once one row is completed, turn the spool upside down and repeat on the other end. When done, the entire spool should be covered by the spoon arms. Next, we apply some hot glue to one end of the spool and affix it to the glass tea light holder. This will become the base of the candlestick holder. Then we measure out a string of silver necklace beading and use it as trimming to cover the area where the spool and the glass meet. We do the same on the top rim of the spool with another string of silver necklace beading. Our final step is to take one of our solar garden sticks and apply some hot glue to the bottom edge of the stick, as that end will be affixed to the center of the glass tea light holder. The other end is where the solar panels will be exposed at the top. And there you have it! Our second solar-powered candlestick holder is complete. This one has a completely different look as the first one we made, but looks incredibly glam. These solar-powered candlestick holders are both functional and beautiful and will look stunning in any living room or kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.